How you doing and welcome to my channel. I'm working on a vintage Brother 151 model sewing machine that was rebranded with many brands, but this is the original manufacturer of this sewing machine. As you can see, it works. I re-lubricated the gears, mechanisms. Foot pump works, a foot pedal. Still a work in progress, but it functions. And if I can fix up a DeWalt drill, shouldn't be that hard. I'm gonna change out the light bulb, which does function. To a LED. So here's a look again at the gears. Here you go. I'll focus in on this. As you can see, it's a model 151 made in Japan. As you can see, the light functions. I'd like to change it to an LED bulb, which I did find help on a Facebook group called Vintage Japanese Sewing Machines. So hopefully it functions. After I'm done with it, I'm going to repaint this casing. The box, not the sewing machine itself. Maybe a navy blue or something like that. As you can see, I'm redoing the top casing, putting it back together. There. Nice and secure where it burns. It's always good to have a good screwdriver, and this is a made in the U.S., not China or overseas Craftsman 4-in-1 screwdriver. It's a good model to have in your possession. I need to replace this clip. Someone said to use a screen door clip for the older screen doors to hold the screens in place, and I think that would work perfectly fine. You know, this isn't for sale, this is for use. It's going to be used in my house, so it's a vintage machine that, you know, just does the job. Can't buy them like this no more. It's solid metal, you know. Anyway, if you like this video, let me know any suggestions I can do to improve on this machine, or any places I can buy replacement parts. Also forgot to point out, I wanted to buy I've seen videos with red felt for the sewing thread, I guess. And there's some other accessories that originally came with this. I know there's a metal box I'm going to try to find. But this was free, so free is good. At least it works. As you can see, I'll plug it in and it works again, you know. Still works. It's the original plug. It actually works better now that I relubed it, so. This is also a zigzag type of sewing machine, so. It's got different settings from, you know, denim, from dark to silk to normal. So It's got a reverse switch. As you can see, this machine works. It's got all the good features. It's got a reverse switch, tension control. I guess this is a bobbin holder or attachment or whatever you want to call it. I know nothing. Thread holder or whatever. I'm not a sewing machine expert. I'm just refurbishing this. You know, needs to be done. It works as it should. So, yeah, let me know if you need me to continue making videos like this. Comment, subscribe, leave a like. You know, hit the bell icon if you want to be the first to know what's going on in my videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.